Pose.
What's up, YouTube? Today I got the GoPro 12 for you guys today. I'm going to be unboxing here for you guys. So make sure you guys give this video a like, comment, subscribe. Let's get into this video. So everybody having a holiday. Oh yeah, happy holidays out there to all my subscribers as well. Happy holidays out there to y'all. And I see everybody getting some nice for Christmas. Everybody gotta get some nice for Christmas, man. It's that type of season. I might give me another Alexa speaker too as well around the house. But here you guys go, your gift award. Oh wow. You got me a whole bunch of stuff. Okay. I got an accessory kit here. I got me first off, I'm not gonna start with the GoPro. Okay, I'm not gonna start with the GoPro first. So we're gonna do accessories first, then the GoPro. So we got a sand disc here. It's for the, for the GoPro. You put it in and you better make your videos with the GoPro. Make that. Then you also got a cleaner as well, a cloth. That's a cloth right there. I'm gonna open it up, show you guys what it looks like. Nothing too fancy. I don't even care, but it's looking nice. Okay. Sweet. It's a cloth. Awesome. Amazing cloth. Okay. Next thing we have the accessory kit. The GoPro itself right here. GoPro itself right here. I'm gonna do that next. That's it, right? That would be some free money in there. Alright, so alright. It's supposed to be a 50-in-1 accessory kit. Wow, for sports action cameras. Came with it. Okay, so we open this up right now. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Let's take a look. Okay. Bunch of stuff in here you guys can see already. Take a look. Let me zoom out a little bit. You guys can take a look. I don't even know what this is. This is a handle or something for the GoPro. Okay, pretty sweet. This is a wristband. Hold up, I can't even open it up. Open it up. Oh, that's a wristband. So if you want to open it up your wrist, have it around your wrist if you want to. It's a wristband for the GoPro. You zoom out just a little bit, move the back just a little bit too as well. Camera. Sorry about that, y'all. 1 second. There we go. And then next thing you got here, I guess, for your bike helmet or something. I don't know what this is for a bike helmet. It's supposed to be a clamp. You got a whole bunch of other screws and stuff in there. And you got this for your helmet, showing you how it's supposed to be. Showing you how it's supposed to be. Then you got this for your helmet. I got this for my helmet. Or my car. Either one, you can do it for your car. I got it for my car as well. My car coming soon. Then I got this as well, some more for a body wristband. This is what we're going to use it for sure. This is the body wrist. This is the headband. Headband. Okay. That's the headband right there. Sweet. Glad we got that. I'm glad all the accessories come here like this. Sweet. I like how it is. Everything is all awesome. Packed welly. This is the body one right here, right? Chest. Okay, this is the chest lanyard. You guys can see for the GoPro. Chest one here for the GoPro. We got some more stuff here. Looks like this is for it as well. You can hold it like this and go on your helmet, make it longer, extend it. You can extend it. Then you got this as well. Came with a tripod as well for it. So we can extend it, make it longer if you want it longer. What a different one. This I can use this for YouTube. I'll use my YouTube camera as well. That's sweet. I got that. It's real nice. You got something worth out of your money. I know I do it. I also got this as well, worth out of my money as well. This is metal? Yes, it is metal. Oh, that's sweet. This is plastic. But it's worth it though. Yeah, it's plastic, but It's worth it though at the end of the day. You start using this or not. Then I got a carry bag for more items. This is holiday time for this, man. I'm not even done. It's a lot of stuff. You got like stamps and stuff, more clamps, this and that. You got a lanyard for your GoPro. Yeah, this is like $700 here. I got some more screws and stuff there. I got a carrying case. Alright, y'all. Alright, since we got all those out the way, time to do the GoPro. Shoot, let's check out the GoPro. Okay, so GoPro gives you this. It says this on the box. GoPro. Then it says GoPro. It tells you all that stuff there. Okay, this is the GoPro 12. You guys can see here. GoPro 12 Black, man. I'm ready to get into this content. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not even. Let's do it. How you open this up? Oh, right here at the bottom. Comes with a little tab. This. Let's see what the camera looks like. I'm so excited. It comes with this. Oh wow. Oh wow, it comes with a lot of manuals. See, it comes with manuals. More manuals and stuff like that. More to show you how you can do it. More manuals and stuff like that. Put that to the side. Now we have more manuals as well. Okay, you can see this baby. Let's start off with this. We have cords for it as well. You can see the cords right there. That's the cord. Okay. Got the battery for it. See the battery itself. It's new. Ooh, I like the battery. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Oh, that's sweet. You can use that as a tab pull. Okay. Then you got this for your head. That's sweet. GoPro gave me that. Hey, that's what's up, GoPro. Shout out to you. You got me this as well. Another thing for your clip on it for your headband. That's sweet. But I'm already shaking at the same time. I'm feeling good, man. At the same time, I'm feeling good. You ready to see the camera? Let's check out this baby here. Oh my goodness, GoPro, you're sexy. What it says here on the back, it says your camera must be updated before you can use it. Oh wow. Wow. Gonna turn it on. This is the power button here. You turn it on. I'm already getting fingerprint all over it already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I need to turn it on because you know why? There's no battery in there. Dumb. How you open this up anyways? I forgot. I don't even know how to open it up. Goes like this. Push it down. Let me see. Push it up or something. Oh, there you go. There you go. And it's waterproof too as well. Mine's is waterproof. Dang, how you put the battery in there? Like this. Then I get the SIM card. Hold up, guys. I'm putting this all in here right now. Okay, that's in there. Okay. You're gonna cut it on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, the power button not even right there. Power button on the side. I'm tripping. Okay, you guys can see it says GoPro, and it says 12 right here. Then it says English, you select it. Then accept it right there. It says active. Go back. I can't even see what the pick I picked. This shit went to France. Go back. English. Agree. Oh yeah. Confirm. Okay, I'll install the app on my phone. Come back to y'all in a minute. Alright, so look, we got this piece here. This is how you put it on the GoPro. You take your hand here. And then you open it up just like that. You see the grooves? You put these two grooves together. Make sure those grooves are together. If the grooves are together, then you're good like this. You want to take that and take the GoPro piece here. Stick it, slide it right in there just like that in the slot. Take it, get your hand, put the screw on the other side. Turn it just like that. Turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. Turn it, turn it, turn it, lock in. Once you got it locked in, boom. Then you got it anywhere you want. Or you can shoot it as a video, make it yourself, or you can shoot it this way and look at yourself, hey, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, make sure you guys drop a like on the GoPro. This GoPro is hard. I'm gonna be putting mine on my helmet. So I'm gonna raise this up a little bit. Or I might just, yeah, I'm gonna raise this up some. Oh yeah, but like I said, oh shit, I hope I break it. That's why I'll put it back like the way it is. I don't like crack it or nothing. For real. But yeah, you can put it right here on top. On this. Mine might be on the top of this for sure. I'm gonna get some mounts for some stickers and put it on there. Somewhere in the bag. There we go. Oh yeah. Alright, YouTube. Like I said, I love y'all. I appreciate everybody for watching this video. I know it's long. I ain't gonna do too much in this video, but like I said, y'all keep supporting me. And I'll keep on dropping for y'all. Alright, YouTube. Alright, y'all. So we back with it again. I'm gonna show y'all this GoPro. Look at it. Let me cut it back on. Okay, as y'all can see, we cut the GoPro. It's recording now, but look. We GoPro mode. Yes, y'all can see. What's up, y'all? Yo. We on GoPro. I like it so far. Let me know if y'all like it. So can y'all see my face? This is something different. Real talk. I'm not gonna lie. Now y'all can see over here. Check it out. Can y'all see that? You probably can see me on here too. Can y'all? Right here, right? On that camera. This is the GoPro on both, and I like it so far. I'm gonna show you guys the features and more stuff to it. Stay tuned. Alright, so cut that off, pause it. We just powered it off. Did that power it off? No, that's not. I don't know why I powered off. When does it power off? Okay, no. Why you just recording all of a sudden? That's stupid. You're supposed to hit the power button on her. There we go. Okay. Power on. You got it on this side too as well. You can see it on this side too, on this side too. Whatever you see is on this side too as well. So if I wanted to go here, it's in settings now. I'm showing you settings. So different setting mode. You have different options here. I can select from different options. It has 4K. It has a lot of different options you can shoot from, different selections and stuff. You know, so whatever you like, it's whatever you like so far. So if you like shooting up close, then get up close shots. If you don't, that's what you gotta do though. And then video, it has standard, basic quality, standard. It has standard quality, highest quality, which is good too as well. That's what I'm gonna need. And then you can zoom in as much as you want to zoom out. But yeah, make sure y'all love this video. I like it so far myself. Let me hit the record button on it again. Yeah, I love it myself as well, so you can see. I had to put it on the highest quality, so it is on the highest quality right now. It's on 4K something, just like my YouTube camera here. But hey, I like the GoPro. Make sure y'all go rock with me on here. I love y'all. I'll see y'all in my next video. Make sure y'all get this video a like and subscribe too. Alright, we out. Okay, as y'all can see, we cut the GoPro. It's recording now, but look, we GoPro. I'm gonna show you guys the features and more stuff to it. Stay tuned. All right, so yeah, I love it myself as well, so you can see. I had to put it on the highest quality, so it is on the highest quality right now. It's on 4K something, just like my YouTube camera here. But hey, I like the GoPro. Make sure y'all go rock with me on here. I love y'all. I'll see y'all in my next video. Make sure y'all get this video a like and subscribe too. All right, we out. What's up, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, man. We having a great time today. I'm off the GoPro, so y'all know what it is. Ayy, feeling good, feeling good, feeling good. The reason why I talk like I talk is because how my mouth is all free like it is. It's free like that, so I can talk how I want to talk for real. Like this, or you know what I'm saying? I'd be like, you know what, let me talk like this for real. I talk like that so a nigga can understand me more, like, you feel me, if I talk like this with my lips. But I talk with my lips and my mouth, so a motherfucker get mad. That's what it is. But y'all know the GoPro is a pro at what it do. Oh, yeah. All right, y'all.
This is how legends are made.